In today's video, I am going to teach you how to enable smooth scrolling in Google Chrome. To begin, open Google Chrome on your computer. Once Chrome is open and up to date, go to the address bar at the top of the browser window. Click into it, then copy and paste this link directly into the address bar chrome/flag/smooth-scrolling. After that, press enter on your keyboard. Next, look for the drop-down menu next to smooth scrolling. It will likely be set to default. Click that drop-down menu and change the setting to enabled. This tells Chrome to turn on the smooth scrolling feature instead of leaving it in its standard state. After you enable the setting, Chrome will prompt you to restart the browser so the change can take effect. You should see a blue relaunch button near the bottom of the window. Click Relaunch to restart Chrome and apply the new setting. When Chrome opens again, the change should be active. At that point, you can try scrolling on a web page to see if movement feels smoother and more natural. If needed, you can always return to the same flags page later to review or change the setting again. That covers everything you need to know.